Do you have a lot of old photos and don't know how to scan them quickly? It's easy to do with your iPhone, which quickly converts them to digital format so they are easier to share and store. Watch to the end and I will share a tip for enhancing these photos. So firstly, open up your Notes app and then tap here to create new note. After that, we're gonna click on this little paper clip to see the list of options from which we need to choose Scan Documents. Now, I suggest you to switch from auto to manual here to be able to manually control the perspective and settings. Additionally, you can turn on or off flashlight and add some filters such as grayscale, black and white, and photo filter. Now, take the photo you would like to scan. In my case, it will be this one. And all is left is to point the camera at this photo so it will be within this orange frame. Whenever you're ready, just click the camera shutter button. And if you messed up, you can always adjust it by dragging the corners like that to make it perfect. Now, if you're satisfied with the changes, just click Keep Scan. After that, it will be saved. You can scan more than one photo or document with this way. But if you're done, just click this little Save button. And it will be scanned and saved to the Notes app. Additionally, you can click on this arrow to be able to share with this photo to any social media or via AirDrop. And to be able to save it to your phone, just click Save to Files and choose folder in which you would like to save it. Now let's check the result. I'm gonna find my Files app, open it, find on my iPhone, and this is my scanned photo. We can also click on this arrow and check that it is saved in a PDF format. And once you have scanned your document, a preview window will appear. You can scroll down the screen to see the available filters. So just try experimenting with filters to change the color palette. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye!